Hey, so if file uploads in ShareX are not working, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when your screenshots or recordings won't upload or generate links. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Upload issues often happen because of weak or unstable connections. Next, check your upload destination. If the selected service is down or not configured correctly, uploads won't work. If you're using services like Imgur, Google Drive, or Dropbox, try reconnecting your account. Expired permissions can block uploads. Some platforms have limits, so make sure your file size and format are supported. Go to After Capture Tasks and make sure Upload Image to Host or Upload File is enabled. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking uploads. Allow ShareX through or temporarily disable them. If it still doesn't work, switch to another upload service to test if the issue is platform specific. And finally, restart ShareX or reinstall it completely if the issue continues. So that's how to fix ShareX file upload not working. One of these steps should get your uploads working again quickly. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Hey, so